Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a letterhead in Google Docs. It is super simple. You're just going to select the header bit, so double click on that. And you're just going to write your company's name. And then I'm just going to make it bold and a little bit bigger than that. Then I'm going to have one smaller and not have it bold like the text. Street, and then write down city. This is just random. And like your number. And also the email. Like so. Then you are going to insert like your logo. Actually, I'm just going to change the color. So insert your logo. I'm just going to go and select insert drawing new, and I'm just going to select an image. Choose an image. I'm just going to wait for it to upload. And I'm just going to crop parts of it out that we don't need, like so. And then I'm just going to select save and close. Select this image, and I'm just going to choose behind text. Resize the logo and move it on the right side of the sort of like company and stuff. And that is pretty much how you can create a letterhead in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!